Okay, this is a class where we're supposed to be controlling this servo with this joystick. And we're supposed to make it go from 0 to 180. So I've got it backwards. I've got the joystick backwards. So this is going to be difficult, but we go to 0 and then we go up and around over to 180. And then I go back and around to 0. And I have a very noisy joystick, so I have a big band on the joystick, but you can see the joystick is making it go from 0. There's 45. There's 90, there's 135, and there's 180. So, I don't know, you can see that I'm doing this. And I got it so that I can actually go down and it goes back around. So either whether you go up and over or down and back around, it goes down to 0. And when you let go, it goes to 0. So thank you, Paul. Wonderful, wonderful class.